Alright, so since we have the door panel off, and that was right somewhere there, 4 screws for the speakers. So we'll pop this guy out. There's a little plug, just unplug them. Right, and what we're doing is doing tweeters and speakers. So this is going to be for the speaker for this over here. And then the tweeter I already did and just chopped up the original one, undid the screws. And what I ended up doing was finding a little trick that this wire runs all the way down this harness. And I found the one that was actually for it. So you got multiple red and blue wires. And all I did was just pull on whichever one it was. And the first one being the tweeter. I just cut it real short and ran it through this little hole, because I got to hook this up to the speaker, which is this guy right here. So he didn't actually get a component set. This is a component set, but it's really not. It's like factory replacement style. So you give the woofer power over here and it automatically feeds the tweeter. So both have to be centrally located where the speaker is, which is nice because it makes things a little easier. But so what we're going to do is hook this guy up, put 2 tails on her, do this guy, and I'll show you the end result. This I already did, like I said. I'm going to tuck this away and snap it in as time ends. And there you have it. That's for the speaker. So, all right, so during intermission, I have this guy dangling because these things are so difficult to put on. These ain't coming off. So here's your tweeter. It's going up into the door through this guy. I'm just going to take that little push pin out. It's fine. And over here, I actually notched, there you are. I notched the little snips. Well, that's going to be perfect. Who's going to see it? So, so the wire can actually, I can tuck this guy in with one hand. So the wire is not pinched. Let me see if I can get a better picture of this. So the wire's not pinched coming through. 4 screws. Door panel back in the opposite direction in the previous video. And I'm trying to do this with one hand. But anyway, so like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.